In order to make your doll clothes, you need a few items or tools. And first thing is a yarn. And here we have a size 10 cotton yarn. You can see the brand, but you can use any brand you want. And the reason I like this one is because it has the thickness I need to make the clothes to scale for the type of dolls I'm using or I collect. When we look at the level of the yarn, it will say the size of the hook that you need. In this case, this says 1.5 millimeters or 7 in US terms. So these are the hooks, and for the hooks, these are aluminum hooks, and when I say aluminum, I refer to this part of the hook. You can find them like aluminum covered with wood or plastic, and that will make easier for you to grab and handle your hook. I usually goes one size under. For instance, the recommendation are 1.5 millimeters, but I'm going to use 1.25. And you can use either way, without any cover or with wooden or plastic. You are going to also need scissors to cut your yarn. Anyone is good for this purpose. And you may need safety pins. You may not need it at the beginning, but you may need safety pins. This is a regular one, but I usually use safety pins. You can use a piece of yarn too. Okay, so these are the basic tools you may need to start making your project.